one of the best things I like about him. He's puppy dog gentle. You can rub all over him. He's not going to run away. He's dead gentle. You can leave him here and walk to your trailer and come back. He'll still be standing here when you get there. But he's not like the overbearing, in your face type horse either. You know, he can just. He's about one of the most relaxed 4-year-olds I've ever seen. I think he might be coming 5. And also the foundation on him. He's big. I think he's 16 hands, big, stout. He's gonna fill out to be a really big, strong horse. He's got great bone on him, great black feet, very sound. Can really, he's just so easy to be around. And he's good to look at. He's pretty. And as far as roping on him, he's just as gentle as he is on the ground. He doesn't do anything weird in the box or roping on him, no buck or pull back or bite or anything like that. He's really awesome and enjoyable to be around. You can run 10 or 15 steers and he's going to be the same when you get done as when you started. He's not going to get hot or mad or anything like that. He's good, he scores good, he runs plenty, he's got a good move, and he faces good. That's pretty special to be a 4-year-old, and I would recommend him to any kind of lower number guy. Can definitely get by this horse. This horse is good for anybody. I'd say open down to 8-point caliber. He's definitely easy to get along with. There's not much bad I can say about him, really. He's just very, very easy going, good eater, doesn't crib, anything like that. He's a pretty enjoyable horse, and I enjoyed my time with him.